It's a pleasure to welcome you all here today for the official opening of the Phillip Island Community Energy Storage System, or as we prefer to refer to it as PICESS. AusNet, with support of delivery partner Mondo, is proud to have brought this project to life. As many of you would be aware, the population of Phillip Island more than quadruples over summer, which puts a strain on local electricity networks and at times has led to power dropping out. This power, which in time will be powered by renewable energy, will help solve this issue. The battery replaces diesel generators previously used on the island to provide backup power to the region over summer to support this peak demand. Subsequently contracted specialist design and construction expertise from TEC-C who are with us today. Now, I know during construction, TEC-C endured one of the wettest periods in Victoria over the last 20 years, so a special call out to you and with your local contractors as well for getting the job done. Thank you.
And I think one of the important things that we've been able to achieve in Victoria through really strong partnerships over the years is this notion that renewable energy can be firmed up, renewable energy can be relied on for when we need it, and I think that's been really an important part of the taking people with us, if you like, part of the equation, because transition sounds easy on paper. But we always have to have a very clear mind to giving people the confidence that it can be managed well, can be managed smoothly, and that's exactly what we're doing. These things, obviously, the connection between climate action and the economy, these things can be symbiotic, and we can absolutely ensure that the economic benefits are realised as we take action on climate. And it's technologies such as this and opportunities such as this by important businesses such as AusNet that are really so vital to us being able to take those really big steps to reducing our emissions. But this 5 megawatt battery will aim to replace, if not all, but most of the diesel backup generation that is well known around the island, at least, especially in those times of the summer period in particular, where the numbers of tourists that come through, but also around the MotoGP, means that often the reliability and the certainty of having that power when you need it is sometimes at risk, and we've seen that happen over a number of years, and it's not just here, of course, especially in the summer period or when there's major events like the MotoGP, that we see a need for more electricity supply, and sometimes being in these more remote parts of the state, if you like, that can sometimes mean that there's less certainty around that reliability of power. And so the importance of this neighbourhood battery here is that it will replace the diesel generators that really are a feature up until now of summer here at Phillip Island.
Battery is significant for Phillip Island because during the peak season it's a popular place to visit. The population ramps right up, it quadruples in size, and during that period of time the network can become a little vulnerable, so this battery can be dispatched right at the peak periods and stabilise the network and provide a stable source of power.